Here I have NUBIA RedMagic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Google application, then tap on the camera icon here, tap on the camera icon once again, tap open camera while using the app, and now we can scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots this QR code, it suggests me to open web page, which has been encoded here. You tap on the gear on the search icon and it opens instantly. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.